Little stash update. Got these chameleon flowers. Mess around with. Classic old school. Got a couple on the ground. Got all together. You got 100 of these, 25, 4 come in a pack. Got 3 here, lit one already. Got triple X firecrackers. Got an unopened pack right here. These are super loud. Got these from Moapa, Nevada. This and this. This was from 51. Turn this lower. Got 2 packs of the Blue Thunder by Cutting Edge. These are larger than these Blue Thunders from Cutting Edge 10 balls. It's gonna be interesting shooting these and comparing these. Got 2 packs of these. And got some cherry on top, Brothers basic Roman candles. You can tell I lit off 2 already. Got these Pure Fantasies. This is a sick little fountain. Goes to a mind. Recommend this. Got a Coconut Groove Song 19 shot, no brand name. Got this from Moapa in Nevada. Pretty decent cake. Got a case of full. Got a case. 4 come in a case. Path to Destruction. Had to pick this up. Seen a demo on this online, and I've seen this at the Area 51 demo, and this cake was loud. It lasted long. And got a case of Seek and Destroy. 2 come in a case, as you can tell. This is a massive cake, 9 shot, well actually 8 shot. Take the top off so you can see it. Big old 2-inch tubes. Here's the performance if you guys want to see that. Seen this at the demo too. It hit pretty hard. Went up high. Big breaks. For last, we got 3 packs, or had 3 packs of these Bam Bam rockets. Got these on Craigslist. Couldn't find these in a fireworks store or in my area, so Craigslist came through. Lit 4 of them already. 6 come in a pack. These are, for the size, these make a good bang. If you can find them, pick them up. Alright guys, here's the final stash. Run through. It's a big cake, 36 shot. Thanks for watching, guys.